Do you know how does a CRO cut down on training time to introduce new hires to the company's general functions and prepare them for their specific roles? Do you have a requirement to develop a comprehensive onboarding program for your new hires? Then you are at the right place. An instructor-led classroom training, ILT, along with role-specific training will work absolutely right. The best way to come up with an online training package for onboarding is simple: an e-learning solution of blended learning for onboarding and skills training. Instructor-led training material will help by providing guides and manuals along with standalone e-learning modules. Each classroom session include an icebreaker. We used watch try do simulations to take learners through the practice to work on the tool in a risk-free environment. Ensure success from the start with the right onboarding solution. Visit the case study on our website to know more information.